reactions coming in. BJP takes a jibe at Punjab government. A minister handled non-existent portfolio. 20-month government blunder has been exposed in the state of Punjab, and Aam Aadmi Party is now facing heat over this major government blunder. Listen in to some more reactions from the BJP.
देखिए, आज देश के लिए कितनी बड़ी शर्म की बात है। पंजाब इतना बदनाम दुनिया में हो रहा है। पंजाब में एक ऐसा मंत्री बना दिया जो डिपार्टमेंट एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता, और वो मंत्री गाड़ी घोड़ा लेके घूम रहा है और उसको यही नहीं पता कि वो मंत्री है किस चीज का और मंत्री पद कौन सा है। ये हालात पंजाब के केजरीवाल जी ने बना दिए हैं। ये लूटने आए हैं। इनका मकसद कोई पंजाब में गवर्नेंस नहीं, जैसे 10 साल इन्होंने दिल्ली को लूटा उसी तरह से पंजाब को दोनों हाथों से लूट रहे हैं। पंजाब में आज बेरोजगारी है, करप्शन है, आज माफिया पंजाब में पहुंच चुका है।
जो तमाशा पंजाब दा, पंजाब सरकार दा, वाकई ये गल कहंदे सी, लगदा भी सी भी साडा चीफ मिनिस्टर तमाशबीन आ, केजरीवाल ते ये ड्रामेबाज ने, पर एडा बड़ा धोखा नहीं पता सी भी एडा बड़ा धोखा करनगे। ठीक आ, 1000 रुपया झूठ बोलिया, होर गल्लां झूठ बोलियां, पर मंत्रियों नूं अपनिਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ थल्ले काम की करना, जिहड़े महकमे है नहीं गे मंत्री साहब नूं, तो मैं कुछ कहना नहीं चाहूंगा। तमाशा बनिया उन्होंने तो की बनया, खैर मुख्यमंत्री का बनया।
कितनी इनएफिशिएंट गवर्नमेंट है कि जिसको अपने डिपार्टमेंट के बारे में जानकारी नहीं और मिनिस्टर को भी उसकी चिंता नहीं है। नहीं तो इतनी देर जब तक आप मंत्री हो उसको तो सैक करना चाहिए ऐसे मिनिस्टर को। ये चीफ मिनिस्टर पे भी प्रश्न चिन्ह है, इनके सुप्रीमो पे भी, जो केजरीवाल जी दिल्ली से बैठ के ऑफिसर्स की बैठक लेते रहते हैं और उनको डायरेक्शंस वहीं से देते हैं, दिल्ली से गवर्नमेंट चलती है, तो उनके ऊपर भी प्रश्न चिन्ह है कि ये क्या कर रहे हो। तो पंजाब के साथ ये एक सीधा धोखा है।
Let's go back to my colleague Pavit, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Pavit, what is the kind of justification have we got from the Aam Aadmi Party netas, the Aam Aadmi Party government in the state of Punjab specifically? Because this is quite shocking, to be honest. I mean, you have a minister who holds a portfolio, who heads a department, the department that doesn't even exist.
Right, exactly at this moment when we are getting the reactions from the opposition, but Aam Aadmi Party has chosen not to react on the same. We tried to reach out few politicians, we tried to reach out Mr. Taliwal for his comments, but they are refraining themselves from commenting on the issue, which clearly shows that there has been a blunder on their part that they are trying to hide at this moment, because 20 months is a long time to realize that you are heading a department which does not exist. And in this 20 months, no meetings have taken place, even the chief secretary is unaware of the same, and you don't have a line of the agendas which are set up for this particular department. Even if we took a look at the earlier picture also, there was this, when the department was set up, there must be a hierarchy on which the department's line of working must have been like drafted. But right now, if we look about around in these past 20 months, and no work has been done, no meetings have been scheduled, no agendas have been set up, which clearly shows that how seriously the ministers are taking their portfolios, and which actually raises a question mark, specifically when no reaction is coming from the Aam Aadmi Party. At least they should come out and state what were the reasons that they have shown this particular department as non-existent, whether they have merged this particular department with some other department. So there is a lot of justification and clarification which needs to be which needs to be shown from the Aam Aadmi Party. But as of now, only the opposition is reacting, and no comments are coming from the Aam Aadmi Party, from whose part this blunder has come out.
Well, absolutely. We are still waiting for a reaction from the Aam Aadmi Party or a minister in the Punjab government on this particular blunder, because it is nothing short of a blunder. Pavit, request you to stay on with us. Let's also tell our viewers a little bit about, the man in question here, Kuldeep Singh Dhaliwal, who is an Aam Aadmi Party leader and a minister in a Punjab cabinet. In fact, he was initially in charge of the Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Department. He was relieved of that responsibility responsibility in the cabinet reshuffle that happened in May 2023. He then retained NRI affairs portfolio, and then he was also assigned the Administrative Reforms Department. Now we are learning that one of the departments, which is the Department of Administrative Reforms, was non-existent. Udit Raj of the Congress Party is now joining us on the broadcast as well. Good afternoon, Mr. Udit Raj. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first reaction to this non-existent department that was headed by Kuldeep Singh Dhaliwal, a Punjab minister for 20 months.
Mr. Kejriwal is a dictator and he wants to control everything, and wherever he wants to delegate his power, he does it. Where he doesn't want, he treats like this. There are many examples in Delhi government also that social welfare minister had no power. So what happened that it is a design of Aam Aadmi Party, he is a convener, and the entire party is in his pocket. And afterwards, then जैसे CM of Punjab also is behaving like that. However, had he not threatened at that time when the government was being formed, so Mr. Kejriwal would have picked up another person, another puppet person. So what happened that when you make someone minister of particular department, but that department does not exist, that what shows that this is a dictatorship and entire power is to be has been centralized in the hand of one or two people.
Okay. Well, that's also an important point you're making, Mr. Udit Raj. You know, giving somebody a portfolio and not giving the required powers is one thing. But here in Punjab, what we have heard is quite shocking. Perhaps it has taken the whole thing to another level. There is a minister who heads a department, and now a notification comes that, you know, that department only doesn't exist for 20 months. I mean, nobody in the bureaucracy, in the Punjab government, anybody from the ministers there, nobody has an idea. I mean, is it some kind of a joke? That's what people of Punjab are also asking today.
So the Bhagwant Singh Mann government itself is a joke. Let me tell you, the day on which he was sworn in and agitation started, never in the history of India such thing would have happened, that the day on which a person becomes chief minister or party comes into power, and same day or next day agitation started. And all throughout Punjab you see the people agitating at different places for different causes. And I tell you, this drug is many people have come under the influence of drug, and government of the day is not in position to check the drug.
Right.
Situation is very bad in Punjab.
All right. Congress says the situation is very bad in Punjab. Thank you, Mr. Udit Raj. Appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. So, viewers, this is the story we are getting for you from Punjab. We haven't heard anything from the Aam Aadmi Party netas or any minister from the Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab. We are waiting for that reaction. But ahead of that, this news has clearly